In today's video, I will teach you the exact step on how to deposit to your Exness account. Make sure you stick to the end of this video because I'm going to be dropping some valid points. So if this is your first time seeing me, this is Forex Academy, where you learn trading tips and guide and strategy for absolutely free. So today's video, we are going to look at how to deposit to Exness Broker step by step. Note, the same way you used to deposit is the same way you should use to withdraw. If not, your funds might be rejected. So let's go straight to today's video. Either you are using the web version, you are using the mobile app on Play Store or Apple Store, it's still the same thing. So you have to click on deposit first. When you click on deposit, guys, please bear with me, my network is kind of slow. When you click on deposit, you let it load out. It's up. So there are different ways for you to deposit to Exness. You can see to avoid delay and loss of funds, start a new deposit with your personal area and make sure the exact amount you send is the exact amount you enter below. Okay. So there are different ways. You can use online bank transfer to make deposits. You can also use bank card, Bitcoin, Ethereum, Netella. You can use Creo, you can use StreetPay, you can use USDT, Bitcoin, Ethereum, and so on. But make sure you use online bank transfer. Why? Because it's one of the fastest. Any country you're watching this video from, I prefer you should use online bank transfer to make a deposit. And also, that's what you should use to make a withdraw. But if you want to go with crypto, same way. If you use crypto to deposit, you also use crypto to withdraw. As simple as that. So I'm going to click on online bank transfer. Guys, please bear with me. So this is the sub account I want to withdraw to. So this is a Naira MT5 sub account. This is a Naira MT5 sub account. You can see the minimum deposit on the Exness is $10, depending on your country rules and regulations. So I'm in Nigeria, and the minimum to deposit now is $10. As for 3 years back, 5 years back, you can deposit as low as $10. Then 5 years ago through Exness, even $2 then, but now the minimum is $10. So for today's rate, $10 rate is 17,815 naira. 815 naira. So you can see the maximum to deposit to. So I want to deposit 30,000 naira to this account. So this is my Naira sub account. So it's very easy on how to link account. And also, if this is your first time watching this video and you do not have a business account yet, so go through this channel or check the description of this video. You see a step-by-step guide on how to create your Exness account. So yeah, let's click on continue. Make sure you click online bank transfer. Let's click on continue. Note it's the same way you used to deposit. It is also the same way you used to withdraw. So the bank name I'm using to initiate this transfer is BankPay. So I'm putting my account number so that there can be traces of lost of funds. So and the name has to tally with your credentials you used to open your Exness account. Please note that the account you want to use to make transfer should not be a third-party account. The name has to tally so you won't lose your funds. These guys keep note of that. Let's click on continue. So no commission, yeah, that's 1,000 naira. So to generate the account, and also click on the description of this video to join our Telegram channel whereby I drop premium signals for free. And there's a lot of strategy video on this YouTube channel. Go and learn. So now we're going to click on, let's say before you make this transfer the exact amount. Do not save for future use or stuff like that. And these accounts expire within 1 hour. So you have to initiate the payment within 1 hour. So now you have to click on I understand this instruction. So you can click on continue. So now the payment partner, the partner which has generated us a account to pay with. You can see this account is dedicated time. We have to pay within 1 hour, which is 59 minutes 46 seconds left. And we have to pay to this VFD Microfinance Bank. This is the account number and this is the account name. EXN checkout. Let's go and initiate the transaction together for my pay mobile app. So to initiate this transaction, so let's go and confirm the bank name VFD. So let's click on VFD MLB. You can see it has generated the account number. You have to confirm the name, please, and please. There's going to do feasibility study. It is right, so that you won't lose your funds. I will have to send the exact amount to the account. So immediately you initiate this transaction, automatically it's going to be confirmed. So far is the exact amount, don't add or minus. So let me just authenticate it, put my face ID. Okay, we have successfully made this transaction. You just stay on the page. Please do not refresh the page that you're using Safari or the mobile version. Just stay on the page, automatically it's going to be accepted. It's as simple as that. If you have any question, feel free to ask a question in the comment section. And also, if you have comment where you're watching this video from, and if this video was really helpful, don't forget to drop a like and subscribe to our YouTube channel because more updates is coming like this. Please guys, here with our network today. So guys, immediately the transaction was completed in less than 1 minute or 2 minutes thereabout. and check your mail. You can see automatically. Let's log in. Let's refresh this page. Drop. So you just log into your MetaTrader 5 if you link it, or if it's not how to link it, I can also drop a video on that. That will be my next video. Not to link your account. That's easy as that. So you can see, guys, let's drop immediately. It's time for you to start trading, and when you make profits, use same bank method to place your withdraw the same way you used to deposit, the same way to withdraw. So guys, we're done for this video. See you guys in the next video. Bye for now. Stay blessed, young billionaire, and stay tuned to this channel. Don't forget to subscribe, smash that like button, comment where you're watching from. Bye.